So today we will see how to create a file and then write something inside the file and then delete the file in Linux. So for this we at first open the terminal, and now we need to know our current working directory. To know our current working directory, we will write pwd in the terminal, and here you can see our current directory is home directory. So now we need to know what is in home directory. So for this we will write ls, and here you can see there are many other directories like downloads, desktop, documents, and there is a zip file in home directory. So here in home directory we will create a text file. So to create a text file or any kind of file, we need to use the command task and then the name of the file we want to create. So now I will create hello.txt file. So here the file has been created. To check it, we will write ls. So here you can see the hello.txt file has been created. Now we want to write something in the file. To write in a file, we need to use the command nano, then the name of the file. So here in this space or window we can write anything we want. So we will write hello world, my name is Riva. Now we want to save this file. To save this file, we need to press Ctrl plus O and then press enter, then press Ctrl plus X, and the file has been saved. So now to know or to see the content of the file, we can simply use a command cat and then the name of the file. This cat command is used to see the content of a file from the terminal. So here you can see the content of the file. Now if we want to delete the hello.txt file, then we need to write rm. Rm means remove hello.txt and then press enter. So the hello.txt file has been deleted. So we can check it. Here there is no more hello.txt file in our home directory. So that's how we can create a file, then write something in it and then delete it.